What is up, guys? It is John from Naturally Aspirated Garage. Today I'm going to be going up to my buddy's house and we are going to be wrapping his car. Now we've already started it. I just haven't gotten footage of it, but today we'll be starting, so let's get right into it. Here at Greg's house. This is Lexi's car, and this is Greg's car. So this is the one that we're wrapping. As you can see, there's a lot of work that still needs to be done, but he's got this nice gray. It's sort of like Nardo gray, but not quite similar. So we've got a lot done, but we've still got a lot of work to do, so let's get into it.
Sorry, I don't want any Girl Scout cookies. Okay, well, since I'm driving, I choose Chipotle. Nope.
Alright, what's up, guys? Me and Greg are back now from eating. Got some mud flaps. Hey, these are good quality. What are they?
Some Rally Armor, polyurethane.
Rally Armor, hit us up. So the wrap, like I said earlier, it's coming together real nice. So real quick, let's take a look at this vinyl. This vinyl is Vvivid Vinyl. It's some of the best stuff out there on the market. It stretches easily, gets rid of the wrinkles with the heat gun. Super good quality, would recommend. Put a link in the description below. Check it out. So the first thing we're going to be wrapping is this door right here. We're going to be hitting this section right here. That is a little body piece that just hooks up. So get to it.
Bricks got that heat, boy. Bricks got that heat, boy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Go check out Vvivid Vinyl on their Instagram or their website. They've got a lot of very unique colors to pick from, and you can definitely try some of their samples that they've got. They've got some pre-cut samples. You can ship them to your house and you can check them out, see which one you like the best. Please, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to share around with your buddies. Go follow my buddies and I on our social media, and I'll see you in the next one.